Hey guys, it's Charlie, and in today's video, I'm doing a comprehensive review of Kajabi. Now, I've been using Kajabi for over 2 years now. I use it to host multiple courses. I've built out multiple web pages using Kajabi, and I use it for a lot of my email marketing. And yeah, basically in this video, I'll tell you guys about all the different features. We'll go over the pricing, and I'll show you guys just how powerful this platform is. If you guys click on the link down below, it's actually going to take you guys to a free 30-day trial. This trial is exclusive to my audience only, so I really encourage you guys to try out the platform yourself. If it doesn't end up working for you, that's okay. It's free. And if it does, well, I think you guys are going to be able to build an awesome business using their platform. So yeah, if you guys want to use the link down below, it's going to take you to this exact page and you'll be able to claim your free 30-day trial. First, let's talk about the pricing of Kajabi. And one thing that a lot of people immediately think is, okay, this is a bit more expensive than some of the other platforms. Is it actually worth that price? And my quick answer is 100%. So I'm here on the pricing page right now. You guys can see that they have 3 different plans. There's the basic plan, there's the growth plan, and there is the pro plan. Now, for most of you guys, I recommend just going with the growth plan. This is going to be one that offers a lot of different features while still keeping it relatively affordable. And you guys might be looking at this price and being like, okay, that's, like almost $2,000 per year. But if you actually combine all the different things that Kajabi can do for you, then you guys can actually see it saves you a lot of money. If you're literally just starting out, the basic plan might be good enough for you and you guys can eventually upgrade to the growth plan. But the reason why I love this one so much is because it allows you to build so many different products, so many different funnels. You can have up to 25,000 different contacts and 10,000 customers. And you can also have 10 different admin users, which can really come in handy, especially if you're working with a lot of people that are helping you build your course. Now, in terms of the user experience for Kajabi and the ease of use, I'll say that Kajabi has been really, really good. They have very fast customer support. They actually get back to you really, really fast. And then of course, actually using the platform to build your course, host your course, it's all super, super intuitive. So if you are a beginner course creator like I was 2 years ago, you guys are really, really going to like Kajabi. Now, a lot of people don't realize that with Kajabi, you can build websites, you can host your course, you can host your communities, you can do email marketing. It's all included under one platform. That's really the main reason why I went with Kajabi. I didn't want to have to deal with so many different platforms and pay, all these different monthly costs. Rather, I just have Kajabi and it handles everything for me. So let me show you guys an example of what your website could look like. So my main website, charliecheng.co, this is created on Kajabi. You guys can see it looks pretty good. It's not the most complex website ever, but it really does not need to be, right? I have all these different sections here. It looks very clean. It loads really fast. That's the most important thing. And if I come here to courses, let me show you guys what some of my course landing pages look like. So for example, personal brand masterclass. This is one of my flagship courses. This is a landing page that we built exclusively on Kajabi. It looks really, really good. Kajabi has a lot of customization features. And if you want a landing page that looks somewhat similar to this, you can absolutely build it yourself. So I'll scroll down here just to show you guys the whole page. I actually had custom graphics made for some of these. So if you want something that looks exactly like this, you might need to have a graphic designer or you can do it yourself. But yeah, this is just an example of what a clean course landing page looks like. And if you want to market your course properly, I definitely think having a page that looks good like this is very, very important. This is a huge landing page, right? It basically tells the audience exactly what's in the course. You guys will want that. We talk about the accountability, the support, and then down here we have the different packages. Another website that we have hosted on Kajabi through the same account is hustleclub.co. This is exactly what it looks like. All it really is a call to action to enter someone's email and they can join this newsletter for free. So yeah, both these websites, they were built on Kajabi's website editor. If you don't know how to write code and you want a simple drag and drop website editor, Kajabi is really good for that. They have a lot of built-in templates and you can also customize as much as you want. Now, in terms of your different courses, let me show you guys what my course looks like. So I'll click preview right here. And this is basically what it looks like inside of my personal brand masterclass course. So if you guys do something similar to this, you guys can choose whatever template you want for your course. And once people sign up for your course, it can look something similar to this. Let me zoom just a little bit so you guys can see better. But you guys can see for week 1 of this course, we have a bunch of videos. We also have a bunch of different worksheets that you can download. If you want to see what a video looks like, I can click on this. It's basically going to bring us to the video. I can start playing it. This one is about 30 minutes long. You guys can see that your audience can click here, change the speed, and they can change the quality as well. We can also view it in full screen if we want. And then down here, you can basically write down a bunch of different outlines or other instructions you want your students to read. And then once your student is done finishing this particular video, they can click complete lesson right here. So overall, I think it's a very good looking course hosting platform. And if you guys have seen my other channel or even this channel, you'll know that I'm so big on digital products, especially courses. Selling knowledge these days is one of the best side hustles or ways to make money. And if you guys have a particular skill, I just really recommend you guys consider using a platform like Kajabi. I will say Kajabi is not paying me to make this video. If you guys do use the links, I will get a small commission, and that basically helps keep this content free. But yeah, no pressure at all. There are tons of other course building platforms, but just in my opinion, this is the one that I've used for the last 2+ years, and I really recommend it. Now, in terms of building out your guys' website, let me show you guys sort of what it looks like on my dashboard. So you guys can see this is my charliecheng.co website. There are tons and tons of different templates that you guys can use. We can actually come here to browse templates to see some of the free templates that do come with Kajabi. While I will say these are not the most spectacular looking templates out there, they do look very good. They do get the point across. And when it comes to your website, I think simplicity is very important. So unless you guys want to hire a web designer or something like that, all these templates should be perfectly suitable for your website. If any of these look good, you can click on it. So for example, let's say I want to see this one, and this is basically what it's going to look like, right? So tons and tons of different designs, and you should be able to find something that matches your aesthetic. If I want to actually customize my website, I can come here to customize, and you guys can see we have this very easy drag and drop editor. I can come here, I can change the text very easily. I can change button colors. We can easily change the spacing for all of these different sections. We can add new images. We can add more blocks just like this. And yeah, it's a very simple drag and drop editor that makes building a website easy for literally anyone. Now, in terms of the marketing potentials for Kajabi, let's go through that on their platform. So I use Kajabi to host my Hustle Club newsletter, and we build out all these emails within Kajabi, and we're actually able to use Kajabi to do a lot of sales emails. So you guys can build funnels, you guys can create automations, you guys can host live webinars, and you can also make a lot of different forms and basically collect emails from your audience. Within these email campaigns that you guys create, you can actually look and see the different reports. So you guys can see for this particular email, we sent over 7,000. You can see the deliver rate, the open rate, the click rate, as well as these things. And yeah, it really just is an all-in-one platform that basically handles all of your course, website, and marketing stuff. So just a little bit more about actually building courses, since I think this is a big reason why a lot of you guys clicked on this video. You might be wondering, okay, how do you actually, build a course within Kajabi? Is it easy? Is it hard? What types of different features can you do? Well, this is inside this particular course, and you can see it's very easy to create different modules. So we have a module for each different week. Within each of those weeks, we have a bunch of different videos as well as worksheets. And if you do want to add content, it's very easy. You just click add content. You can create a sub module, a lesson, a quiz. And let's say we want to actually create a sub module. We'll basically click on this. We'll add a title. We will select what the top level module is, a description. We can add an image, and that's going to create that sub module. From there on, we can basically just import your video of your course, and that's going to make it so that your students can access that video. For our course, we also have it on a drip campaign. So basically, when someone signs up, they don't get access to the entire course. Rather, they get access to the first week, but after 7 days, that's when the second module opens up, 14 days for the third, and so on. This is completely optional, and if you guys want, you can just give all the videos to your students all at once. But this is just another feature that Kajabi actually has if you want to actually, make it so that your students go through modules one by one. So that was a brief overview of Kajabi and why I think it's one of the best website building platforms out there. If you want to break it down into pros and cons, let's sort of do that right now real quick. So for the pros, it's an all-in-one marketing solution. So you can build your courses, build your website, marketing, all that stuff. You can also build unlimited landing pages as well. Their website builder is very easy to use. It's a drag and drop editor. In terms of courses, their course hosting platform is very reliable. It's easy to use. All my students really like it. Plus, a lot of people use Kajabi. It's a very well-known course platform. So that definitely does help with the image that your course presents. If you want to work with affiliates for your course, the growth plan and hire actually does come with affiliate support. So basically you can use Kajabi, have people sign up to be affiliates, and Kajabi will handle all of that tracking as well as get them paid out. I also really like their customer support as well as all the other features that they have. And I know we didn't cover this, but if you guys do want to build a community, Kajabi is very good with that. They actually just acquired Vibely, which is a community platform. So that could be really good if you're trying to build some type of community product. Now, in terms of some of the cons, right, the first thing is that the price is definitely higher than some of the other course platforms. Now, I will say I think it's worth it because it comes with so many other different features. And if you sort of got all these things separately, it would definitely come out to more than you're paying for Kajabi. But yeah, the base price for Kajabi is more than other platforms. Another thing is that the website building templates are not the best, right? They're easily customizable, but with how they come by default, they are not the most spectacular looking templates. Also, I'll say they don't allow you to create certificates for your students. So if you do want to do that, then this might not be the right platform for you. But overall, I think the pros of Kajabi greatly outweigh the cons. And if you're looking for a platform to actually create your courses, market them, and build your websites and landing pages, this is definitely a spectacular option. And that really is the reason why I use them for my courses. Cool. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you guys do want to get that exclusive 30-day trial to Kajabi, we will leave that link down below. Give it a try, see if it works for you. And yeah, I think if you guys try it, you will really enjoy all the features that they have. Anyways, I know we covered a lot. Feel free to reference this video at any point. And I really hope that this review gave you some more information from someone that actually uses it and helps shape your decision whether you get this platform or you don't. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like button and also subscribe for more content just like this. This whole channel is dedicated at giving you guys free guides and tutorials to help you start up your business. That's it for today, and I'll see you in the next video.